In this video, I'll be using group policy to deploy managed bookmarks for Brave browser. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find my Windows Server setup, and there is also a video about installing policy templates to manage Brave browser settings via group policy. And here you can see the objectives for this video. Mainly, I will be deploying a folder to Brave browser called Manage Bookmarks. This folder will contain YouTube link. Also in the same folder, there will be two other folders, search engines and social media. And here you can see the list of URLs that those folders will contain. And the limitation for this method is that I have to create a single root folder, and then I can only put everything else inside of it. And here you can see the location to the policy, and also here you can find the name for the policy that we need to modify. And now I'll begin this video by going to my VMware workstation, where I have my Windows Server environment, and here I will be creating my group policy. And for that I will go to Tools, Group Policy Management, and then I will right click on Group Policy Objects, select New. I will name the policy Brave Settings. Then I will click OK. I will expand Group Policy Objects, select the policy that I created, then I will right click and select Edit. And because I will be creating this policy for my computers, I will go to Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates, and then Brave. And here we are looking for a setting called Managed Bookmarks. I will select it and open it, then I will enable it. And here we need to provide a JSON file with all of the bookmarks that we want to deploy. And for this, I will go back to my GitHub page, because here I have this PowerShell snippet that converts a PowerShell object into a JSON object. And as you can see, here we have all the information about our bookmarks. Here we have the root folder called Manage Bookmarks. Here we have the URL to YouTube. Then we're creating another folder called Search Engines. Here we're creating social media with the URLs inside of it. And that's basically it. Now I will click on the button right here to copy this snippet, go back to my VMware workstation, and here I will open a PowerShell window. Let's click on it. We don't need any administrative privileges. I will insert the snippet, press enter, and as you can see, the output is just a JSON object. So I'll select it, then I will copy it, go back to my policy, and I will insert the value here. Then I will click on apply and OK. And that's basically it for setting up the group policy. Now we can close this window. Let's go back to the policy, select details, and for GPO status I will select user configuration settings disabled, because currently this policy only has computer settings in it. And after creating the group policy, I need to assign it to an organization unit which holds the computers on which I want to deploy the managed bookmarks. In my case, the organization unit will be this one. It's called computers, and it holds all of my computers in my domain environment. Now to assign the policy, I will click and hold on the policy, and then I will drag and drop it on the organization unit. And as you can see, the policy appeared here and also in the list here. And now to test this policy, I will go to one of my client machines that I have here. I will open Brave browser. And as you can see, I don't have any bookmarks currently. And that's because we didn't give it enough time for the group policy to update. So let's do it manually. I will go to my start menu, search for CMD. I will open it. And here I will type gp update. And as you can see, after updating the group policy, we have the Manage Bookmarks folder here. We have the YouTube link, Search Engines folder with all the links. Also, we have the social media folder with other links. And that's basically it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.